Hello, I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and I want to talk to you today about a service I provide. It is a 6-month coaching package where you get to interact with me at least either once a month or every other week. And what you get from me is we are going to redefine your relationship of health. And specifically, what that's going to look like is you're going to learn to like your body again. Like is a strong word. You're going to learn to respect your body. You're going to see your body in a new way, as well as you're going to learn to respect your food in a way to where you're going to get to your health outcomes with a more transformative approach. So that could mean an outcome of weight loss. That could mean an outcome of weight gain. That could mean an outcome of managing your gut health more. It could mean an outcome of recovering from an eating disorder. And so the outcome is going to be different from everybody. But what we're navigating is I'm so tired of the chronic dieting. I'm so tired of the food noise. I'm so tired of not liking what I look like. I'm so tired of doing a boot camp every January through March and then quitting and then not liking who I am April through June. If that's you, then I have a curriculum that I like to call Positive Nutrition, where we're redefining health in just a new way, specifically your thoughts about food, your experience and your feelings about food, and then ultimately your beliefs of food. And some of it's very tangible, where I'm going to ask you to keep a food log. Some of it's very tangible, where we're going to look at where you're eating your food. Some of it's tangible, where we're going to look at the protein status of your meals. And some of it is a little bit more reflective, where we are going to look at what's happened to you, what's your story with food. And it's so valuable, where if you're able to show up and do the reflection, I will invest my time into getting to where you want to go. And I have clients at different levels. So once a month, the investment, all the material will be online. We meet every other week. You get a hard copy of everything, and we're with each other at least 3 hours a month. And then outside of session, you have access to me at all times as I step into your life and I invest in you. If this is of interest to you, hit that like and subscribe button, reach out. All of my info is in my bio, and I would love to have a conversation with you to see if this is of service to you. I hope you have a really good day, and I will talk with you soon. Bye.